Feel the rhythm deep in the chest. Bassline rolling hard, no time to rest. Jamaica calling, you feel me quest. One love, one sound, we do the best. The moonlight touch me face so sweet. The drum and bass, them a guide me feet. Life in the yard where the youth them meet. Truth in the bass, it make the soul complete. Oh, the bass line strong, it hold me tight. Carry me through the darkest night. Every beat a light, every chord a guide. Rise up the vibes, we can't collide. Tree them swaying to the rhythm sound. Roots run deep in the Kingston ground. The star them shine while my mind unbound. Bassline talk, it don't mess around. Hear the dub as it echoes far, traveling steady like a shooting star. Vibration shake like a lion's roar. This is music that you can't ignore. Oh, the bass line strong, it hold me tight. Carry me through the darkest night. Every beat a light, every chord a guide. Rise up the vibes, we can't collide.
Kingdom come. Roots and culture make the wicked run. Bassline heavy like the mountainside. Riding rhythm for the fire worldwide. Down at the yard where the breeze them cool. Life get rough but me nah play fool. Jah guide me path, yeah me keep me strong. Every step a blessing, me chant me song. Feel the drum beat shake the whole wide land. Bassline rolling like a mighty hand. Reggae fire burn for awakened soul. Dub vibrations make the broken whole. Rivers flow like the words me preach. Every little youth feel learn and teach. Babylon them try fi chain where me live. Me free like the sky, me learn how forgive. Feel the drum beat shake the whole wide land. Bassline rolling like a mighty hand. Reggae fire burn for awakened soul. Dub vibrations make the broken whole. Me not done yet, Jah bless the track. Warrior spirit, now we not turn back. The rhythm call me, me have to reply. Tough roots I grow, me reach for the sky. Down at the yard where the breeze them cool. Life get rough, but me nah play fool. Jah guide me path, yeah me keep me strong. Every step a blessing, me chant me song. Feel the drum beat shake the whole wide land. Bassline rolling like a mighty hand. Reggae fire burn for awakened soul. Dub vibrations make the broken whole. Rivers flow like the words me preach. Every little youth feel learn and teach. Babylon them try fi chain where me live. Me free like the sky, me learn how forgive. Feel the drum beat shake the whole wide land. Bassline rolling like a mighty hand. Reggae fire burn for awakened soul. Dub vibrations make the broken whole. Me not done yet, Jah bless the track. Warrior spirit, now we not turn back. The rhythm call me, me have to reply. Tough roots I grow, me reach for the sky. spirit, but we shine the light. Jah guide we feet as we trod the line. With strength and love we acclaim what's mine. Them a try push we down, but we stand strong. Roots deeper than the earth, still growing long. Teach the youth wisdom through the struggles we know. Hear the drum and bass, it's steady, it flow. Rise up till we touch the sky. Together we are move, no time for cry. The rhythm of the heart, it just won't lie. We rise up, Jah love never die. Them can't stop the fire burn bright and high. The chant a calling deep from we eye. With every pound of the drum bass line go boom. Unity of the weapon breaking all the tomb. Chant for the people, chant for the free. We breaking down wall like a mighty sea. From Kingston town to the worldwide, Jamaican spirit standing pon pride. Rise up till we touch the sky. Together we are move, no time for cry. The rhythm of the heart, it just won't lie. We rise up, Jah love never die. Till we touch the sky. Together we are move, no time for cry. The rhythm of the heart, it just won't lie. We rise up, Jah love never die.